Hello everyone. Since we celebrated our 7th wedding anniversary last 12 of April, so we wanted to share with you our first investment, yung house and lot na kinuha namin when I was pregnant with Aliyah and handed over to sa amin last 2023. And yes, here we go. Ito yung up and down and 2-bedroom po yung kinuha namin bahay sa First Park Home, Calamba. And yes, andito po tayo sa baba ng bahay na kinuha namin. And yung first visit namin dito was 2023. So, yes, chinek lang namin yung actual house. And then, chinek din namin yung washroom kung okay lang yung size niya. And pati yung mga materials na ginamit nila. So, okay naman so far. And yung, rin naman kami sa second floor para i-check yung mga bedroom. So, ang bahay nito is may 2-bedroom, good for 4 members of the family. So, eto yung pwedeng maging bedroom ng dalawang anak nyo. Kung may dalawa kayong anak, so pwede siyang double deck. So, pwede siyang ilagay dyan. And meron din sa sulok na pwede ilagay dyan yung mga cabinet or whatsoever. So, ito rin yung master's bedroom na pwede sa mag-asawa. And kung gusto nyo naman na magkaroon ng extension pa ng isang room, pwede. So, pwede nyo pa-extension siya kasi malaki yung part ng garage doon. So, yung taas niya, taas ng garage, pwede nyo ipa-extension yun yung service namin. And by the way, guys, we just want to inform you that this house and lot is for rent. So, please DM me for more details kung interested po kayo. Para po ma-ready po natin yung bahay. Kasi hanggang ngayon wala pong tumitira dun sa bahay. And yes, okay naman po siya. Talagang gamit na lang po ang kulang. And also, yung swimming pool nga pala is okay na siya. So, visit namin siya last month and finally okay na yung swimming pool ng subdivision. Thank you guys for watching!